Hi everyone and welcome to Belagavi. This vibrant city is known for its rich history and cultural diversity. Today we're going on a trip to the heart of Karnataka, exploring the beautiful and dynamic city of Belagavi, to a city full of history, exciting culture and the promise of a bright future. Belagavi is a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously. This isn't just a travel show, it's about experiencing what makes this city special. From its historical landmarks to its vibrant street life, we'll explore the stories hidden in old buildings, uncovering the secrets of its ancient architecture. Enjoy the foods that people have loved for generations, tasting the flavors that define Belagavi's culinary heritage, and see how the city is growing and changing with new developments and modern infrastructure. So, come with me as we discover the amazing city of Belagavi, a place where tradition meets progress. Even a beautiful and successful city needs to be connected to other places. And Belagavi knows this well. Its strategic location has made it a vital link in the network of Karnataka. Imagine roads like veins carrying people and goods, connecting Belagavi to the rest of Karnataka and beyond. These roads are the lifelines that keep the city thriving and bustling with activity. You can hear the sounds of trucks and cars. These are the sounds of a busy city, a city that knows how important it is to be connected. The constant movement signifies growth and progress. From Bangalore to Pune, from Goa to Mumbai, Belagavi serves as a crucial junction, linking major cities and facilitating seamless travel. Belagavi is an important stop on the journey. Its well-planned infrastructure ensures smooth transit for everyone. But Belagavi isn't just connected by roads. The city boasts a well-connected railway station and an airport, making it accessible by air and rail as well. As our trip through Belagavi ends, one thing is clear: this is a city that looks to the future, always striving to innovate and grow while remembering its past. In the last 10 years, the city has changed a lot, growing and becoming more successful. The blend of old and new is evident everywhere you look. Imagine a city where old temples and new buildings stand side by side, creating a unique skyline that tells a story of resilience and progress, where tradition and progress work together. Belagavi's skyline, once filled with historical buildings, now features a mix of the old and the new. Now has many modern towers, showing how quickly it's growing. These new structures symbolize the city's rapid development and forward-thinking mindset. But Belagavi isn't just about looks, it's about making life better for its people. The community spirit here is strong, with parks and public spaces bustling with activity. The city has invested in better roads, bridges, water and sanitation. These infrastructure projects are designed to improve the quality of life for everyone. These improvements make the city a better place to live, fostering a sense of community and belonging, a place that's ready for the future, embracing change while holding on to its rich heritage. As the sun sets on our Belagavi adventure, we hope you've enjoyed exploring this wonderful and vibrant city. We've seen more than just sights. We've learned about its rich history, experienced the culture and felt the warmth of the local people. Remember, every trip teaches us something new and valuable. Belagavi showed us how to balance keeping our traditions while moving forward, staying true to our roots while aiming high. Thank you for coming with us on this incredible journey. Until our next adventure, keep exploring and discovering.